Looking for a real-world example of how smart stock selection works? Let's talk about Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers (GRSE), a stock that checked every box of the CANSLIM strategy and rewarded investors with an astonishing 200% rally in just 79 trading days. From 1,180 rupees, its 52-week low, to 3,535 rupees, its 52-week high, GRSE showcased what true breakout stocks look like. With the detailed technical and fundamental analysis, the stock showed early signs of strength. Let's take a closer look at how GRSE aligns with our custom-made metrics. The EPS, earnings per share, rating measures a company's earnings growth, both recent and over the past few years. GRSE's strong and consistent results are exactly what this rating is designed to highlight. The relative strength rating measures a stock's price performance compared to all other stocks. GRSE outperformed 95% of listed Indian companies over the past year. This rating shows strong institutional buying, with volume spiking on up days. It signals healthy demand from professionals. According to CANSLIM principles, top stocks often belong to leading industry groups, and GRSE ranks an impressive 4th out of 197. Now, let's see just how confident market experts are about these stocks. According to renowned stock market expert William O'Neill, GRSE boasts an impressive guru rating of 88%. Based on Buffett-style investing metrics, inspired by legendary investor Warren Buffett, GRSE has secured an impressive score of 81%. Now let's decode GRSE using the CANSLIM methodology. C stands for current earnings. In Q4 FY25, EPS surged 119% year-on-year, powered by a 62% jump in sales. A stands for annual earnings growth, with a strong 3-year CAGR of 28%, rising from 19 rupees and 91 paise in FY23 to 46 rupees and 4 paise in FY25. N stands for new highs or new developments, and this stock just hit a fresh 52-week high, driven by defense modernization contracts. S represents supply and demand. With just 2.98 crore shares in float and 74.5% held by mutual funds, demand far outweighs supply. L stands for leader or laggard. With a stellar RS rating of 96, GRSE stands out as a clear leader in its sector. I stands for institutional sponsorship. With backing from 108 mutual funds, the stock enjoys strong institutional trust. M stands for market direction. A confirmed uptrend in the broader markets has powered GRSE's plus 277% surge from its pivot point. So what's the key takeaway? Combining a disciplined approach with data-driven analysis can help investors identify potential opportunities in the market more effectively. Information contained herein is not and should not be construed as an offer, solicitation, or recommendation to buy or sell securities. It is for educational purposes only. For more information, see our legal disclosure.